Chicago, Seasons Greetings Wave right back.
All right, man, call me over. You take it easy, take care. Here's Mary and happy, stay 57. You're taking 13 South Central Florida on this 2-pill, and I'm back out.
All right, 913, we got that thing on. I'm thinking right about now, that's for sure. Coming through the flat side of the Solar Moonraker 6. Say 913. Keep them straight on. Donkey stump there. Look out.
Hear me, Mike? Give that mug that boy, throw some ramen noodles.
Hey, good evening time there, 357.
Ramen noodles, look at
And 445, you're 351 waving at you.
08, 308.
Hey, 308-091 around the Big Bam. Hey, 308-091 around the Big Bam. Hey, 308-91 in the Big Bam. Hey, 308-91 Birmingham, Alabama break.
Conditions just everybody all keyed up right about now.
Hey, 351.
Hey, 445, you know, like I was saying, man, everybody keyed up right now. It's rough right now, man. I'm lucky to get through back to you, man. But, hey, I did hear you, hey, 445, your friend in Florida with the holiday waves back wide.
All right, Mr. Video Gate King down there in Florida.
441 keep them straight up.
Still doing Video Gate down there. Man, they got you in the red.
7 in the 10.
Hey, 445, it's running right now too, man, so you'll be able to see what's going on, man. You have a good evening.
Up here around the Big Bam.
I appreciate it, 351. You out here 109 out there?
Oh, you don't want a deer flare. You still out there, deer flare. Big Daddy down south getting down.
Hey, 913.
All right, deer slayer still doing that thing around the Smoky Hills. Hey, Willie's Johnson in fourth position. Hey, deer slayer. 357 Tennessee with Red Hard away.
Big Daddy in the swamp reading the mail.
557 waving in. Bye.
Okay, deer flare. You got a copy on Big Daddy in the swamp? Deer flare. Big Daddy getting down.
There, deer slayer.
Go get back on deer flare. Big Daddy in the swamp reading the mail.
Hey, Big Daddy, that thing's smoking down here around the Sand Pass. I don't know why he ain't gotten back to you, but, man, I got a different kind of antenna than what he's got. Hey, Big Daddy, you're 351 with Holiday Wave.
It'll be low, 351. Good to hear you out there. I appreciate you coming back to me, no doubt. Always a pleasure. Your friend Big Daddy, by your country getting down. 73s.
Real good copy, Big Daddy. You take care, man. It's a real good copy back here. Hey, have a good evening. You're 351 waving to go.
How about it? Go get the band waving.